Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cyberscroll. Today is a very important day because it is Patch Tuesday for December 2025 and Microsoft has just released a massive update for Windows 11. I have already installed this update KB5072033 on this laptop right here. So in this video, I will show you all the new important visual features and improvements. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the design. If you remember, previously the search window and the start menu were slightly different in size. It used to look a bit odd, right? But now see this, Microsoft has finally fixed it. The search panel now matches the height of the start menu perfectly. Both are floating and look completely symmetrical now. It's a small change, but it makes the UI look much cleaner. Next features for those who love changing wallpapers. If you use Windows Spotlight for your desktop background, earlier it was a hassle to change the image, but now simply right click on your desktop. You can see here we have options directly in the context menu. You can click Explore Background to learn more about the photo, or simply hit Next Background if you don't like the current one. A very convenient feature. When you hit Explore Background, it takes you to Microsoft Edge to learn more about the background. And when you hit on next background, it switches the background to a newer one. Now, coming to the File Explorer, Microsoft is trying to improve dark mode consistency. So now even the pop-up dialogs, like when you copy or delete files, they will appear in dark mode. It won't hurt your eyes at night. I have to be honest with you here. There was one annoying bug which I will show you now in the previous preview update. Watch carefully. When I open a new tab and close this tab, you have a flashbang. Let's see it again. Did you see that flash? That white screen for a second was there in the previous update and it was quite annoying. And now Microsoft has fixed it in this build, KB5072033. Here you can see that the issue is fixed. Next is the device info card in Home Settings. On the home page of the settings, after installing this update, you will find a new device info card that includes key technical specifications about your computer, including processor, storage, graphics card, and memory. If you click the About Your Device button, you will be redirected to the About page. This card may appear only to users in the United States who are signed in with a Microsoft account, and it doesn't appear for me since I'm from India. Next is the Drag Tray Disable option. Drag Tray is a flyout that appears when you select and drag a file to the top of the screen. This feature was annoying for many users. Microsoft has added a new toggle in the Settings app to disable it. To disable it, let's navigate to the Settings and search for Drag Tray. Over here, you can find the toggle bar to toggle it off. In this update, Microsoft has made changes to the Advanced section under the Settings app. Let's check it out. Navigate to Settings, System, and then let's go to Advanced. In here, you can see a new section called Virtual Workspace. The new Virtual Workspaces page gives you the ability to manage virtualization features including containers, guarded host, virtual machine platform, Windows Hypervisor platform, Windows Sandbox, and Hyper-V settings such as Hyper-V GUI management tools, Hyper-V module for Windows PowerShell, Hyper-V Hypervisor, and Hyper-V vServices. In the past, we had to enable these features on the legacy Windows Features page. Next is Simplified Windows Update Titles. A new standardized title format makes Windows updates easier to understand. It improves clarity by removing unnecessary technical elements like platform architecture. Key identifiers such as date prefixes, the KB number, and build or version are retained to help you quickly recognize each update. So friends, that was a quick look at the Windows 11 December 2025 update. Overall, the visual changes are good, and Microsoft has fixed many security issues too. I'll leave the security fix details in the description. Please check it out and let me know in the comments below what important improvements Microsoft should do next. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Cyberscroll for more tech updates. See you in the next video. Bye bye.